Hi all of you. My name is Chetan Singh and I am an English learner. I hope you all are well. Today we are going to discuss about the small choices which we make every day in our daily life routine. That small choices are very important for a person. These choices decides our future, whether we are going to face a great future ahead or we are going to destroy our future. These small choices has a power to make you the great personality, and it can also destroy your life. These small choices come into the play when you are going outside and you see so many cars alongside the road with lavish and tasty fast foods, but you know that you want to become a healthier body. That time you have to make the choice whether you want to go towards that cart and eat unhealthy food, or rather you have a guts to choose your homemade healthy food. And when you decide to wake up early morning at 5 a.m., at that time your phone alarm rings, and that is a time when you have to make the choice whether you want to snooze that alarm or sleep again, or you want to get up from the bed right away and take actions for your life goals. It's all depends on small choices which we make in our everyday life. That's why I thought I should discuss this topic with you, so that you can also make these small choices better for you, because these choices are as important as your life goals. You can't reach to your success level in one day. You have to face these small choices every day, which will eventually take you to the success level which you have dreamt for yourself. It is also a fact that we are a being of emotions. We are not animals, we are not any other creatures who are without emotions. We are different from other species because we have emotions inbuilt in us. Whenever we want to make any choice, sometime our emotions comes in between and make us stop towards having a right decision for ourselves. But if we want to make our life better, then we have to keep our every emotion aside for some time, because this time will not come again if we will keep chasing our emotions, and if we will keep listening to our emotions, then I don't think that we can ever achieve our life goals, because life is very short. You have to get all done in this one life. You don't have time to listen to your emotions. You don't have time to just listen to the manipulations of your mind. You have to keep aside everything for some time at least, so that you can properly focus on your life goals and you can make right choices for yourself, which will eventually give you the bright future and make you feel proud on yourself at the end of your life. I know that it's easier said than done. Like, we can say that we should not listen to our emotions, but it's very, very hard to not to listen to something which is coming from your within, because we can't separate ourselves from our emotions. But you can do one thing. You can write down your goals every day, which will keep you remind that you have these certain goals and you can't afford to waste your time into listening to that emotions which are kind of hampering you for reaching to your goals in life. So always keep the reminder in front of you. It can be in any form, whether you set the wallpaper in your mobile phone, whether you keep a slip in your pocket where you have written your goal, whether you can apply any other methods. But the thing is, you have to keep remind yourself that you have to make the right choices at the right time, because choices are everything. I have heard somewhere a quote which is very beautiful. It says that your life is the product of your choices that you make, which is absolutely true. Because if you will look back, you will feel that your current life is a result of decisions that you have made in your previous time. In the similar way, the current situation is going to be decided your future. So make the right decision and always try to remind yourself that I have to take appropriate steps so that I can reach to my life goals. So that's all I want to tell you. And it's not that I always try to encourage you through my positive words. I myself also get some inspirations from my studies which I have to do in order to make these videos, and in that way I am helping in both way to myself and you all as well. And also I am trying to enhancing my communication skill through these videos. So please support me and always try to remember that you have to be the change to see the change. Thanks for your precious time. We will meet in next video. Until then, take care and bye.